In this problem, we want to write the equation for the polynomial that is graphed, and we can leave our equation in factored form. So we want to begin by looking at the x-intercepts, which are the zeros. So we have an x-intercept here of -3. We have another x-intercept of +1 and another x-intercept of +5. So we're going to start by creating our factors. If -3 is a 0, then x plus 3 was a factor. +1 will give us x minus 1 as a factor, and +5 will give us x minus 5 as a factor. Then we also have to notice that we have a bounce on the graph at +1. So that means we have a multiplicity of 2, so that factor will need to be squared. So this is a really good start. However, it's important to remember that we also want to solve for the a value, which is the leading coefficient, so that this particular graph not only has these x-intercepts, but also goes through the point that's been given to us, which in this case is 0, -3. So this means that when x is 0, our y value is -3. We could be given any point on the curve, we just happen to be given the y-intercept in this example. So again, we're just going to substitute in our y value here. Y is -3 when x is 0. So I'm going to substitute in 0 for all of these x values. And this is going to let us solve for a. So we have 0 plus 3 times the quantity 0 minus 1 squared times the quantity 0 minus 5. And then we're just going to simplify all of these parentheses. So 0 plus 3 is 3. 0 minus 1 would be -1, but when we square that, we're going to really end up with a +1. And 0 minus 5 is -5. So again, we're just using the point that we've been given so that we can solve for the unknown leading coefficient, which is the a value. So 3 times 1 is 3, times -15 is times -5 is -15, and then dividing by -15 lets us solve for a. So a is -3 divided by -15, which simplifies to 1/5, or 1/5. So our polynomial function, f of x, is equal to 1/5 times the quantity x plus 3 times the quantity x minus 1 squared times the quantity x minus 5. And this is our polynomial function left in factored form. And we've got the correct x-intercepts as well as the correct a value so that this function will go through the point 0, -3.